I'm a stinky fat motherfucker, bro. I am very obliterated. The begging will commence. What up, you guys? It's your favorite Call of Duty streamer. How fucking gay is that? Tonight, guys, I'm trying to stay home. I'm probably got the fucking Wuhan flu.
Guys, how fat is this kid? You're gonna find out.
Everyone at school is like, dude, they were putting bets in. Like, there's no way he's fucking 200 fucking pounds. 200 fuck. I was just like, boom, and just fall back, hit my head or something. Live on stream. Comatose bees. It's the comatose bee.
Comatose bee. Bee.
I'm lonely, I'm sad, I'm depressed. It's true.
No one.
You're like, it's so overwhelming, the feeling of existing! I like how they think I got the money. Like, I have not left the house yet.
You went on camera?
My dad said, I do not appreciate your attitude, young man. I'm like, I do not.
No way.
I'm about to be like, what do you mean? I'm about to call him and be like, what are you talking about? I just one thing here's the worst part. Wait, do you know what the issue is? Right here. Hello, what do you mean attitude? I wasn't giving you attitude.
Well, that's not like an attitude thing. That's just me saying that like I don't have the money. But I want to clarify. I'm not mad, and I don't mean no disrespect. I just want to clarify this is a miscommunication where I'm on the internet, I'm in my own little world, and I have a sense of humor. You know what I'm saying? The way I do things, I say things a certain way, and I understand they come off aggro or maybe disrespectful, but I mean no disrespect. I don't want y'all to feel disrespected. I just speak in a certain way. That's just how I do it. I will get your money tomorrow. I don't have it. I didn't even plan on you guys hearing me, and I apologize that you did, and I'm not shading you guys. I'm just being me, talking the way I talk, and I meant no disrespect. But nonetheless, I love and appreciate the food.
I love and appreciate the food.
All that. Thank you. I wanted to just call and tell you guys I wasn't trying to be disrespectful. I mean no disrespect. I have lots of love. I just, when I'm on my Xbox, I'm a piece of shit. I love you guys. Love you, bye.
Wouldn't you guys love to have a family member like me?
That was pathetic.
Yeah.
Total beta male.
Dude, I was like, that's why I was trying to, like, I sounded like a fucking beta male bitch.
Fucking morons.
I was like,
IBigBz backpedals, he's scared of Paul.
Dude, they're my parents. Anyone else, I'd have been like, yeah! My fam-a-lam, the legitimate members.
The people who provide you food.
The genuine
also
members of the family.
Notice how you said, I love and appreciate the food. You didn't actually say, I love and appreciate you. You said, I love and appreciate the food.
I love the fact that they brought me food.
You wouldn't love them if they didn't bring you food.
I wouldn't love them as much. It is what it is, bro. Like,
well, that's not very good.
It is what it is.
I don't want to burn you.
Got a hole in
Wouldn't be the first time.
Where is,
Just get a paper plate.
No, paper plates don't work. You need the metal ones.
I can do that.
This is the most alarming thing I've ever seen.
What?
The chat, Mom. They're not too pleased with what they see.
Scissors.
Hips are bad, and they just push it further in.
Lift your head up. Lift it up, lift it up, stop.
Q-tips are for Ow, that fucking hurts! Ow, shit!
I told you. Come here, put your head up.
Fuck!
Head up.
That hurt.
I don't.
That burnt a lot.
Stay still for a second.
This is why we have the foil on the plate.
No.
Why?
I don't know. It's just.
I'm feeling pretty ignorant right now, Mom.
Oh.
I'm feeling bigoted.
I've been.
You've been what?
I'm not sure what I've been. I've been sad. How's that?
I'm
Sad.
sorry, Mom. You that took a dark turn.
I've been sad.
I'm sorry, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, buddy.
I don't want you to be sad.
Streaming.
We are streaming, Dad. Everyone's telling me I'm pathetic.
Well, you don't have good friends. What did that song say? If they were laughing, you don't need them because they're not good friends. Or it would go to your head.
Mom, didn't you tell me at one point I was the fattest kid in school?
No.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
You are absolutely.
You got a letter from the school that said my BMI, and he said you're the fattest kid in school.
It did not say it was you're the fattest.
That's exactly what you told me.
I did not.
I remember it vividly.
You remember it incorrectly.
I remember you
Somebody
saying,
told you
this
that.
letter says you're one of the fattest kids in school.
I didn't.
That's what it said. I remember that.
What kind of parent would I be if I would utter those words to my children?
Well, sometimes, Mom, you say things that I know you mean well.
I promise you, I never utter.
Yeah, you know what? You were telling me not to be fat. And your way of telling me not to be fat was saying, no, the school's saying you're the fattest kid in your class.
I promise you.
I swear to God, I remember that. And,
Or you're just making it up.
but that's why we have to honor him.
Yes, but that doesn't
I
honor.
feel like
That's why you
it's
say
that
his name
joke
5
where you
times
say
fast.
something really fast and then it says something you're not expecting.
Kylie, what about Nicholas Gurr? How about him?
Nicker.
You better not laugh too hard. You'll burn yourself. You burn a hole in your favorite shirt.
Bertie
still.
Gores, please.
up.
Say it 5 times
Look up, look
fast or I'll die.
Look up higher.
Whoa. I like the penis. So far, guys. Only time. I was like, it's the angelic blessings. They've already come my way. Dab, y'all. Why is my screen black? Black screen? You already know that's a problem with me. So I'll say IBigBz, get a job 5 times fast and hope it comes true for the sake of the world. You already know, man. I be getting to the paper. Job or not. Nerd. Ooh. I can't hear out my face. I don't know, dude. Rated. So obliterated. I am very obliterated. Let's finish this up. Wow. That was something different. Pro Belly the Kid. I just want to keep harassing people. I'm lonely. Dreaming. Sorry, that was the COVID. I know y'all really don't want to. No, I don't want to do that to y'all, like all stream. But it's like, man, suck it in. Oh man, I'm so down bad right now.
Seize the objectives.
My fucking health is in your hands, stream. Tell your friends, your family, to join the stream.
To join the stream.
I swear I heard a Scottish dude.
Contesting hardpoint.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Yeah, the fun just how he shite.
Dr. Blackface.
I don't know. I don't want to be insensitive, but lady, here's all I gotta say, man. I'm lonely. Retreat, blood, retreat.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty.
I shit my pants this morning. That was pretty cool. I was holding in a fart, and that fart fucking, there was a crack in the fucking floodgates. Forced itself out. Shit my pants. Yeah.
Contested.
Guys, I'm so fucking bored. I'm just begging people to get on, left and right. Just begging people. Fucking an intense begathon. I'm about to go. It all paid off. All of it paid off. No freaking way. I can't believe it all paid off. All the begging. Oh my god. Oh.
Hardpoint located. Hardpoint locked down.
I was like, I'm begging. All that begging is paid off. Here, wait.
What?
My shit's not. It has. What second or what are you at?
21 seconds. I haven't even said anything. What's that?
I had so much shit going on.
So stupid.
I'm overwhelmingly fat and ugly. I'm tired.
312.
I've been sipping Mucinex.
I'm gonna cry.
I already fucking cried like 3 times today, dude. Don't make me cry again. I feel pitiful right now. Stay out of my way. Don't get in the middle of this pity train. Because this fucker's never fucking coming off the rails. Well, it's always going off the rails.
Why is he there?
Both ways. What? Oh my god, please don't let me die! Hit markers. Death. I swear to god. That was the most unfortunate thing ever. Dude, if I do this, I got knuckles. Yeah, dude. Yeah, look at those are knuckles, right there. You can see those. I'll tell you what. I got knuckles. These things are bear paws that fucking knock your head off your shoulders, bro. Yeah, dude, I've been doing nothing but heavy lifting the last couple months, bro. I swear to you, man, I will hit you. No, I feel like for me lifting up and like pushing over my head, I've been working on one thing I've never even tried to work out before. Yeah, I've never, ever in my life worked on my triceps. I've never worked on my triceps. Oh yeah, I've never worked on my triceps. Like, that's just me. I am a fat, muscular animal. It does.
It does.
But that was a voice crack. It's called being sick, bucko.
You ever see them big wings?
We are at 609 views! Guys! 609 views! Do you guys not know what it means? 609 of them motherfuckers have viewed my channel! That's 10 times 69! You already know what it is, man. Joe boy. Fuck you. Hey, Joe boy. 69 times 10. 609. Dude's got the jam and the petty. Whoa! Who's that big black fucker behind him? Whack as hell! Whack as hell! I ran into a co-worker at Geyser Addiction Center. He probably going to jail, man.
What do I even
There's some things to tell you about what is that I'm not too pleased with the fact that like I had to go in at 7:30.
7:30.
7:30?
Y'all ready for a pathetic megathon?
Losing Charlie.
Hello. Welcome to the occult. It's your boy IBigBz. And we're here to be hateful. Your mom marked escalators. Well, that's funny, because she's always going down on me. I ain't trying to fucking pass off any negative energy to anyone but the haters. Negative? Negative. Yeah. I'm a stinky fat motherfucker, bro. Oh my. Hello? Here, one sec. I apologize. I had to grab this thing. I just finished masturbating. And, you know how that goes. That's why I'm winded. Put that there. I gotta go wash my hands. Yeah, I'll be back. Sounds like the pig call. I guess Wings is playing Battlefield in the background.
Fucking. I just fucking hate you!